Welcome back. I hope you're doing great. As a part of this video, we'll understand how can we sort columns in both ascending and descending order by using order by class. First question arises to our mind is, can we use a combination of ascending and descending? Yes, we can. But one important thing is we can have a ascending order on one column and we can have a descending order on another column. We cannot have ascending and descending order on the same column. That may not be possible. That doesn't make sense. Okay, we'll take an example here. We have a table called employee with these records like employee ID, name, age, location, salary, and department ID, and we have some 6 records here. If you want to sort columns both on ascending and descending order, what you have to do is select star from employee. This is the table name, order by, and specify the columns. For example, employee name, by default, it will take the ascending order, and I'm specifying one more column. This is another column, and I'm specifying keyword as a DAC, that is a descending order. That means sort this particular column on ascending order, sort this particular column on a descending order. But as we always indicated, the first column takes the priority. Means this will be sorted first, and within those values sorted next in the second column. Let us look at the results. For example, here employee name, you can see Aparna, Ashwini, Prakash, Saina, and Sindhu. So within Ashwini, if you see, the department ID is sorted in a descending order. This is how ascending and descending can be combined in a same statement for different columns. We can also do other way around. For example, here I am trying to say sort the employee name in a descending order and department ID in a ascending order. If it is confusing for you, you can mention department ID ASCs. That way you will always know this is in a descending order, this is in a ascending order. If you look at the results here, you can see employee name is sorted in a descending order, that is in a alphabetical descending order. Sindhu comes first, Aparna comes last, and within this the department is sorted in a ascending order because we are trying to solve that in ascending order. Let us look at this by a hands-on example. I am going to use a database called university. Within that, I have already created a table called employee 3. I'm going to use the same table, but what I will do is I'll add few more records into this. I added few more records. Let me go ahead and see these records are there. So now if I want to use both ascending and descending, all I have to do is you choose the column on which you want to do ascending. For example, here I am saying employee 3 order by employee name in a ascending order because I am not specifying anything. It will take a default ascending order and department ID in a descending order. Here if you see Aparna, all 3 different Aparnas because employee ID is different. But we are trying to say sort the employee name in a ascending order. So it has started Aparna, Ashwini, Prakash, Saina, and Sindhu. Now if you see here, it sorted the first column in a ascending order. Now within whatever the values in this department is sorted in a descending order. See, within Aparna it is 3 to 1 and within Prakash it is 4 3. So whenever you are trying to order by on 2 columns, the first column is given preference. The values of a first column are sorted, and then if the same values are there in a first column, within that second column values are sorted. I hope it is clear. Let us do this in a different manner. Okay, I'll say ESC and I will go ahead and say ESC. You can see employee name is sorted in a descending order. Sindhu comes first, Apana comes last. And within this, Prakash is there. Within this, I want department ID to be ascending order. So 3, 4 is there. Within Aparna, I can see 1, 2, 3 because I want this to be in a ascending order. Also, I can say instead of saying this, I will say DAC. So if you see, Within employee name, it is sorted in a descending order. Then within department ID also it is sorted in a descending order. For example, here Prakash, it is 4-3. Aparna 3-2-1. Wonderful. We understood how to order by in a ascending order and also descending order on two different columns. Please do practice. Thank you.